This is a hookup wire dispenser drawer that I built, or that I designed a few years back. And it's easy and simple to install a new spool when it's empty. Here is how it works. Just go down in the front here and you pull. Just pull and cut. Pull and cut. Pull and cut. Any wire you want. Doesn't matter which one. And this is just to hold the back spools, which is a little bit lower into place, so they roll nice and easy. And if you want to change your spool, you just pick it up, pull it out, reinsert it, put it down, and you're back into business. That's how it works. And I installed it in my panel here. And that's it. Easy and simple.